Hi, my name is Matthew Arvalo with Hollywood Mac Guru, and I'm going to show you how to use still camera functions on the iPhone 4. To do this, you're going to need your iPhone 4. You're going to click on the camera icon, and make sure that you're in the still camera function as opposed to the video camera function. To start off with, in the upper right-hand corner, you can choose whether you're going to use the front-facing camera or the rear-facing camera to do this. Just go ahead and tap on the camera in the upper right-hand corner and you'll see the image flips around to choose which side of the camera you'd like to use, or rather, which camera you'd like to use on the phone itself. In the upper left-hand corner, the flash icon is there, and that allows you to either have it on off, auto, or on. The flash will illuminate automatically if the phone detects a low light situation, but you can go ahead and force it to be on, or if you prefer for the camera to take the picture without any flash at all, make sure you have it selected to off. Now, as you move the camera around, you can also tap anywhere on the screen and a little blue box will show up. What that does is it tells the camera where to focus on the attention of detail of where you'd like to take the picture. So this is useful if you have somebody in the foreground and you'd like to focus on them as opposed to the background. So just tap on whatever you'd like to focus and it'll come up and flash. You'll also notice that as you tap the screen, you get a slider on the bottom with a negative and positive symbol on either side. And if you take and drag your finger back and forth, you get a digital zoom. This is great for framing the action of what you'd like to take a picture of, as well as zooming in for any kind of detail. To take a picture, all you need to do is just click on the camera icon in the bottom of the screen. You'll see a little flash as the shutter opens and closes, and then a little representation of the picture you took goes ahead and drops down into the lower left-hand corner of the screen to let you know that it's been saved to the camera's photo library. This has been Matthew Arvalo with Hollywood Mac Guru, and that's how you use the still camera functions on your iPhone 4.